I think I'd like to now try our F major scale. I think we should start with the right hand. So I've got my thumb on F, and already before I start, I'm going to just go ahead and find my magic key on the B flat. Now for this one, could we do slug, slug? Each of our scale notes will get 2 beats. Can we do that together? Here we go. Slug, up, slug, slug, slug. On the B flat now, pop, slug. Keep going, slug, slug, slug. Nice job. And you did your 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's come back down. This time, let's do our counts. Each of our slugs will get 2 beats. We're going to start with our forefinger. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep coming. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. You were counting and remembering not to use your pinky. Okay, should we try the F major scale with our left hand? This time I want to do whole notes. Those are so slow. I think Mr. Beatbug needs to give us a little bit faster beat. Help us out, Mr. Beatbug. Because if we're doing our whole notes, how many total beats will each note get? It will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Let's go ahead and start. We'll put our 5 finger on F. Before we begin, go ahead and put your 2 finger on the magic key so you're all set up for that. And then let's play each note as a whole note. Here we go. Whole note. Hold it. Keep going. Whole note. Hold it. Whole note. Hold it. Here's the B flat. Whole note. Hold it. Keep coming to the C note. Hold it. Come up. Pop. Note. Hold it. Keep coming to the T. Whole note. Hold it. Whole note. Hold it. Nice. Are you ready to count them? Each note of our scale will get 4 beats. Here we go. F, 2, 3, 4. Down to E. 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, pop, pop, 2, 3, 4. Here's our magic key, B flat, 2, 3, 4. Keep coming down to A, 2, 3, 4. Finish it out with our Re, 2, 3, 4, and on Do, 2, 3, 4. You are awesome. I love that you're playing all of your scales and you are counting. That's tricky to do. Nice job.